Hello friends, today we are going to solve UP Judicial Service Junior Division Pre-Examination 2012. So the first question is, deemed decree implies. The correct answer is D, last para of the judgment till decree is prepared. Question number 2, in the matter of kidnapping and rape, the evidence given by prosecutors being illiterate and rustic young women, some contradictions and omissions are natural as her recollection, memory, observance, and narration of chain of events. It was held by Supreme Court in correct answer is B. State of UP versus Chote Lal. Which one of the following is not actionable claim? The correct answer is A claim of misne profit. Question number 4. On proclamation of emergency under Article 352, the President has power to suspend the fundamental rights except the rights secured by Article 20 and 21. Correct answer is B. Question number 5. The concept of Austrian sovereignty is influenced by the ideologies of which of the following person? The correct answer is Hobbes. Question number 6. The state is the synthesis of family and civil society. It is the unity of universal principle of family and the particular principle of civil society. The above philosophies of the correct answer is A. Hegel. Question number 7. Which of the following theories relating to legal rights has been propounded by Ehring? He has propounded interest theory. Correct answer is D. Which of the following are correct combination? So the correct combination is Austin and positivism, Roscoe founded sociological school of jurisprudence. So the correct answer is B. Which one of the following is not a mode of acquisition of possession? So the correct answer is acquisition. All are the mode of acquisition of possession but not acquisition. Custom is to society what law is to state. It has been said by Salmon. Correct answer is B. Which of the following is not a specialized agency of United Nations? So correct answer is United Nations Children's Fund. B. The powers and function of the United Nations are divided among how many principal organs? So there are 6 principal organs: General Assembly, Security Council, Economic and Social Council, Trusteeship Council, International Court of Justice, and last is Secretariat. The real power of appointment of the UN Secretary General lies with. The correct answer is D. The 5 permanent members of the Security Council. Who has the Indian candidate for the post of Secretary General of United Nations? So this question is not relevant now. Question number 15. International law also develops through state practices. It is known as. Correct answer is C. International customary law. Rule of state succession was first incorporated from Roman law by. Correct answer is D. Grotius. To preserve one's life is generally speaking a duty, but it may be the highest duty to sacrifice it. This observation was made in Queen versus Dudley and Stephens by. Correct answer is B. Lord Coleridge. Which one of the following is not an illustration of criminal force? So it is A. Split or B is correct. B. A removes the wheel of a lady B, causing an annoyance to her. This is also an illustration. But C. Correct answer is C. A shakes his fist at B. It is not an illustration of criminal force. Question number 9. Which of the following is an offense against body, property, and reputation and feeling under Indian Penal Code 1860? The offense of? Correct answer is cheating. Assault in order to outrage the modesty of a woman is punishable under section 354 of IPC. Correct answer is D. Law is not universal in nature. Like language, it varies with people and ages. This proposition follows from the theory of. Correct answer is B. August. Judges not only discover law but also they made law. This view is supported by. Correct answer is D. Blackstone. Dealing with the sources of law, who amongst the following was said that courts fuel life into the dead words of statutes? The correct answer is Gray, Justice Gray. This period of limitation within which defendant shall submit his written statement. The correct answer is A. 30 days from service of summons. Judgment under section 2 clause 9 of the Code of Civil Procedure 1908 means. The correct answer is C. Statement of grounds of an order or decree. Section 115 of the Civil Procedure Code provides provision for the following. Correct answer is C. Revision. Section 115 belongs to revision. No right of action is conferred on a transfer in possession under an unregistered contract of sale. Which section of the Transfer of Property Act 1882 contains this principle? Correct answer is D. 53A. The amendment of the Transfer of Property Act 1882 in the year of 2002 amended the provision of section 106. Question number 29. Which property cannot be transferred? A public office cannot be transferred. A mere change. To succeed cannot be transferred. A mere right to re-entry cannot be transferred. So all of the above are correct answer. Question number 30. The power of judicial review in India is possessed by. Correct answer is C. Supreme Court as well as High Courts. Rajya Sabha can withhold money bill for a period of. Correct answer is A. 15 days. Reservation of seats in educational institutes in favor of scheduled castes and scheduled tribes is governed by. Correct answer is A. Article 15(4) of the Constitution. Loya Jirga is a term used for tribal council which will have a decisive role in framing new constitution of which country? This question is not relevant now. Which country became independent in the year 2002 after 450 years of Portuguese rule, followed by a quarter century of Indonesian occupation? The answer is A. East Timor. Terrorist Bali bombing, in which 202 people were killed and several injured, were done in which country? This question is also not relevant now. The rule enunciated by Section 65 of Indian Contract Act 1872 is applicable to agreements which are discovered void by Mistake, failure of consideration, impossibility. So correct answer is D, all of the above. Question number 37. A contract of life insurance, the performance of which depends upon the future event, falls under the category of contingent contract. Which of the following statement regarding consideration is not correct? So correct answer is it need not be adequate to promise. Question number 39. Which one of the following is not an organ of United Nations? So the correct answer is World Health Organization. Who can request the International Court of Justice to give an advisory opinion on any legal question? So General Assembly of United Nations. Correct answer is C. Question number 41. Which of the following state has rejoined UNESCO on October 1, 2003 after 19 years of absence? Correct answer is A. United States of America. Which of the following is not a specialized agency of United Nations? The correct answer is C. Human Rights Council. The sixth conference of World Trade Organization was held in December 2005 at. This question is not relevant now. When was the Indian Airlines plane on its flight from Kathmandu to Delhi hijacked and taken to Kandahar by terrorists? The correct answer is B. December 1999. The European Union now includes total number of members. This question is not relevant now. Manila Declaration 2012 is related to this constitution is also not relevant now. Question number 47. Civil Procedure Code 1908 is not applicable to which of the following? Namely, so CPC is not applicable to land law and local laws. Which one of the following is directive principle of state policy? So this is fundamental right, this is statutory right, this is fundamental right, and this is directive principle. Correct answer is D. To organize village panchayat. Which one of the following is correct statement? In deciding the question as to the disqualification of member of parliament, the president shall act. The correct answer is A. According to the opinion of election commission. Under section 14 of the Indian Evidence Act 1872, which of the following facts becomes relevant? Namely, the correct answer is fact showing state of mind correct, fact showing state of body is also correct, fact showing state of bodily feeling is also correct. So correct answer is D, all of the above. Some shared morality is essential to the existence of any society. Is the observation of heart. Even a student may be treated as an expert under Section 45 of Indian Evidence Act 1872. It was laid down by the Supreme Court in case of Kanpur University versus Samir Gupta and others in 1983. Correct answer is C. Rescission of contract means cancellation of contract. Correct answer is B. What is the position of a contract when it is being caused by mistake of law? Is not wordable. Correct answer is B. Given in section 20 of Indian Contract Act. Who said that public policy is an unruly horse? Justice Borough. Question number 56. Under section 182 of the Contract Act 1872, National Textile Corporation Limited is. The correct answer is C. Not an agent of central government. In case of general offer, there is no need to communicate the acceptance if not required by the proposer. This has been held in case of Carlyle versus Carbolic Smokeball Corporation. In which of the following cases the Supreme Court held that Section 125 Criminal Procedure Code was applicable to all irrespective of their religion? So the correct answer is Muhammad Ahmad Khan versus Shahbanu Begum. The power to grant anticipatory bail under Section 438 Code of Criminal Procedure vests with. The correct answer is both the Court of Session and High Court. Which one of the following section of Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 deals with High Court power of revision? Section 401. Correct answer is B. The judges of family court cannot be considered for elevation as High Court judges. Supreme Court held it in which of the following cases? So the correct answer is D. S.D. Joshi versus High Court of Judicature at Bombay. The correct answer is D. Question number 62. The Constitution Scheduled Tribes Order Amendment Bill 2011 is related to which of the state? So this question is not relevant now. What is the name of the bill which has been passed by both houses of parliament with regard to cable television? This question is not relevant now. Question number 64. Under Code of Civil Procedure 1908, an appeal may be filed by way of. Correct answer is C. Memorandum of Appeal. Which one of the following provision is related with set off under Code of Civil Procedure? So the correct answer is B. Order 8, Rule 6. In UN Human Rights Council is a. The correct answer is A. Subsidiary organ of the General Assembly. International Criminal Court consists of 9 judges. Correct answer is C. Law is uncertain and certainty of law is a legal myth. This is a statement of. The correct answer is A. Jerome Frank. The UN's latest climate talk in Durban, South Africa, which renewed Kyoto Protocol 1997, concluded on. The correct answer is December 11, 2011. This question is also not relevant now. Which one of the following is not the prerequisite of the presumption as to dowry death under Section 113B of Indian Evidence Act? So, victim was subjected to cruelty or harassment by her husband or relative. A victim had illicit relationship with the other male person. So, correct answer is B. This is not the prerequisite of presumption. So, the correct answer is B. One of the most important principles of the law of evidence is that evidence is to be weighed and not to be counted. This has been incorporated under which section of the Indian Evidence Act? This is incorporated in section 134. Correct answer is D. According to whom the matter of jurisprudence is positive law. Law simply and strictly so called, or law set by political superior to political inferior. So positive law propounded by Austin. The correct answer is B. The principal jurist of the philosophical school was Hegel. Correct answer is D. Question number 74. Which one of the following is not a kind of agricultural lease? So, all are the kind of agricultural lease except D. Lease for gathering fruits from trees. This is usufructory contract lease. So, correct answer is D. Every sale accompanied by agreement for reconveyance of property would not constitute mortgage by conditional sale. This statement is related to which section of the Transfer of Property Act? So correct answer is C, section 58. Who of the following author is said as father of English jurisprudence? Namely, the correct answer is A. Austin, father of English jurisprudence. Reasonable time for the performance of a contract is a question of. The correct answer is C. Fact. The correct answer is A. Fact. Indian Constitution is declared to the people of India. Correct answer is D. Which constitutional amendment introduced the anti-defection provision of the Constitution? So, the correct answer is B. 52 second 52 52nd amendment. So, which constitutional amendment introduced the anti-defection provision of the Constitution? 52nd amendment. Which of the following does not come within the territorial jurisdiction of Punjab and Haryana court? Correct answer is D. An agreement in restraint of trade under section 27 of the Indian Contract Act 1872 is void. So the correct answer is C. Question number 82. A proposes by later to sell a house to B at a certain price. Their communication of proposal is complete when B receives the letter given in section 20 of the Indian Contract Act. A and B enter into contract due to mistake that a particular debt is time barred. Contract is void because mistake of fact is void contract. Section 20. A contract of telephone becomes complete at the place where acceptance is heard, in which case it has been held. The correct answer is A. Bhagwan Das versus Girdhari Lal. A wagering agreement depends on an uncertain event. Which one of the following is not essential for a contract? Adequate consideration, because in gift deed there would be no consideration. Continuing guarantee has been defined in under section 129 of the Indian Contract Act. So correct answer is B. Question number 88. The interpretation clause of the Indian Contract Act 1872 has been provided in section 2. Correct answer is B. An agreement to do an act impossible in itself is D. Void. Question number 90. A promises to obtain for B an employment in the public service and B promises to pay rupees 1000 to A. The agreement is void. The correct answer is C. State the correct answer. If object of an agreement is forbidden by law, the agreement is both void as well as illegal. The word illegal is applicable to everything which the correct answer is an offense, is prohibited by law, furnishes ground for civil action. So all of the above. Correct answer is D. Question number 93. What is the necessary to constitute an offense of criminal conspiracy? So the correct answer is B. 5 or more persons. Question number 94. A, knowing that her husband B has committed murder, knowingly concealed in order to screen him from legal punishment. A is liable for nothing. A has committed no offense as section 212 of IPC. Question number 95. Which section of the Indian Penal Code deals with dowry deaths? Section 304B. Correct answer is A. A and B plan to murder C. Then next day they are guilty of. Correct answer is B. The offense of criminal conspiracy. Which offense does not require a minimum number of 5%? So the correct answer is C. Because robbery may be committed by even a single person. Section 390 of IPC. Question number 98. Which one of the following is a continuing offense? Abduction is a continuing offense. Under section 362 of Indian Penal Code, the offense of abduction may be committed with none of the above is correct. Correct answer is D. Because A, B and C fall in the category of kidnapping, not abduction. Question number 100. A police officer without warrant apprehends Z who has committed murder. A has committed the offense of no offense because police officer can arrest without warrant any person in case of cognizable offense. Question number 101. In every statute, mens rea is to be implied unless the contrary is shown. This view was expressed in. The correct answer is A. Sheras versus Lirutzen. Question number 102. A in India instigate B, a foreigner in Pakistan, to commit a murder in Pakistan. B commits murder. In this case, the correct answer is A. A is guilty of abetting murder. Which one of the following pairs is not correctly matched? So the correct answer is B. Necessity. DPP versus Beard. Question number 104. A commits theft on property in B possession, and while committing theft, he has a loaded pistol under his garment kept for the purpose of hurting B in case of B resists. The offense committed by A is defined under which section of the IPC? So the correct answer is section 382, theft. Question number 105. The principle of proximity of crime under criminal law is irrelevant while deciding the liability for the offense of kidnapping and abduction. Correct answer is C. Question number 106. Theft is an offense against immovable property. Next question. A married man commits the offense of adultery if he has sexual intercourse with any woman except his wife. Sorry. B. Question number 107. A married man commits the offense of adultery if he has sexual intercourse with a married woman except his wife. Question number 108. A puts jewels into box belonging to B with the intention that they may be found in that box, with the result that B may be convicted for the offense of theft. A has committed the offense under section. The correct answer is B, section 192 of IPC. X drives very fast through a crowded road to catch a flight, knowing that this act in all probability may cause death. Y is killing by his vehicle. X is guilty of murder. B. Correct answer is B. Which section of the IPC deals with the voluntary intoxication? So the correct answer is B, section 85. When was the Rio Declaration on Environment and Development made? The correct answer is A, in June 1992. It is also called Earth Summit. Next question. The International Labour Organization on December 10, 2011. This is not relevant now. Copenhagen Accord on Climate Change is not a binding treaty. Correct answer is B. Under which section of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 the term offence has been defined? The correct answer is section 2N. The parliament of which country signed on CTBT on 6th December 2011? So this question is also not relevant now. Under which provision of the Code of Civil Procedure 1908 the collector may be appointed as receiver? The correct answer is A. Order 40, Rule 5. A receiver is an officer of court. Question section. Answer A is correct. Question 118. Which one of the following cases related to dying declaration? The correct answer is B. Queen versus Abdullah. To what facts of the following the rules of relevancy have been discussed under Section 8 of the Indian Evidence Act? Motive, correct. Preparation, correct. Previous subsequent conduct is also correct. So all of the above are correct. So answer is D. Question number 120. Which of the following statement is incorrect under Transfer of Property Act? So the correct answer is C. Right of redemption can be abrogated. This is wrong. Cannot be abrogated. Question number 121. Which of the following is not an essential element of gift? Correct answer is D. Transfer must be for consideration. There is no consideration in gift. Question number 122. For the lease of immovable property, the tenure for more than 1 year or year to year. The correct answer is C. It is sufficient if the parties made an agreement. The word secular used in the preamble of the Constitution of India means? Correct answer is B. All religions are treated equally. 12th schedule was added to the Constitution by 74th Amendment. Question number 125. The 44th Constitutional Amendment 1978 deleted Articles 31 and introduced Article 300A. Question number 126. Reverie and exchange of enclaves. The Supreme Court held that. Correct answer is C. Preamble is not a part of Constitution. How many type of writ can the Supreme Court issue for the enforcement of fundamental rights? There are 5 kinds of writ which Supreme Court may pass to enforce the fundamental right. State executive power is vested with governor. Correct answer is D. Question number 129. Prime Minister itself is a separate class. This was laid down in the case of P.V. Shastri versus Union of India. Who can constitute the State Administrative Tribunal under the Administrative Tribunal Act 1985? Parliament can constitute. Question number 131. Under which article of the UN Charter the Security Council has the power to use force against state? So the correct answer is D. Article 42. The judgment of the International Court of Justice is to be signed by. The correct answer is D. The President and Registrar of the Court. Question number 133. Consider the following statement. International law is not a law at all, so this is wrong. International law has no judicial system to enforce the law by applying sanctions. This is correct. So only 2 is true. Correct answer is B. Which one of the following is not a case relating to doctrine of precedent? The correct answer is C. Leverside versus Anderson. Which one of the following school of legal thought held the view that law is found not made? It is self-existence. This view was made in historical school of thought of jurisprudence. Question number 136. In which of the following cases the Supreme Court overruled its own precedent for the first time? So the correct answer is C. Bengal Immunity Corporation versus State of Bihar. Question number 137. Law is what the judges declares. The statement relates to which of the following thinkers? So the correct answer is Gray, who described jurisprudence as lawyers' extroversion. The correct answer is C. Justice Stone. Law means. Correct answer is A. The entire body of rules in a state. Movement of progressive societies have hitherto been from status to contract. Who said so? So the correct answer is C. Henry Maine. Legal right is an interest. Correct answer is C. Recognized by law, protected by law. So both A and B are correct. On which date the Institute of International Criminal Court has come into force? The correct answer is C. 1st July 2002. Where UNESCO's headquarters is situated? Correct answer is D. In Paris. Recently, which one of the following states has been recognized by 112 countries around the world? This question is not relevant now. This question is also not relevant now. So we come directly to 146. 146 is also not relevant now. Which tribunal court has put Lubanga of Congo on trial? So correct answer is D. International Criminal Court. Under which provision of Civil Procedure Code temporary injunction are granted? So the correct answer is C. Order 39 Rule 1. Who can file a suit under Section 91 of Civil Procedure Code for public nuisances? So correct answer is A. Advocate General. Question number 150. The duration of existence of caveat filed under Code of Civil Procedure. Correct answer is D. 90 days from the date when it was lodged. Given in section 148.